Hello, good morning. This is Ibrahim Adio-bale's YouTube channel. I'll be dealing with phones and laptops, tutorial on phones and laptops, such as flashing, or if you are having any problem with your laptop and you want solution to it. Ibrahim Adio-bale channel is here for you. And if you're having problem with your phone as well, Ibrahim Adio-bale channel is here for you. Today I just want to show you the best smart launcher that you can use on any devices, which is very free. It is very easy to use. It is hard free. So the name of the ad launcher is Smart Launcher. This is what I'm using presently on my phone. As you can see, it is very easy to use. You can categorize all your apps such as browser, game, music, and other options. It is very easy to use. You can as well add another, if you want to add, you can as well add another um uh you can as well add, okay, you can see, you can as well add another category if it is reading, entertainment, and whatever. And the funny part of it is, when you download a particular app, it will automatically move it to the group or to the category the app belongs to. So it is very easy to use. It is heart free, and you can use it. You can design it. You can also hide app, like showing a game app. But you can make use of your PIN or your phone password. You can see this is the app I had it on my phone. You can also do so many things on it. So I recommend this. Uh, the name of the app is Smart Launcher. You can get this app on Google Play Store. Smart Launcher. You can get it on Google Play Store. So for those of you who Smart Launcher, so I'm using the Pro version, Smart Launcher 3 Pro version. This is not the Smart Launcher 3, yeah. This is what I'm saying. You can see I'm using the Pro version. This is the best smart launcher that you can use, and you can see people's review. It's super fast, speed up my tablet, it's stylish and unique. I really love the simple interface. I spend less time scrolling. You can see it is very easy. You can see a lot of people recommend it, that you use it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. And this is one of the things I'm using. You can see how beautiful it is. Very smooth and fast. So thank you for watching.